back to my channel. My name is Ava Nwosu and you're watching my YouTube channel. So today I will be installing my headband wig that I got for Christmas. So the headband, it's a water wave wig. It's in this packaging. And it gave me a wig cap. I got all this stuff from Amazon. And it was included in the price. Oh, I didn't read this. I didn't even read it. Just to do all this stuff, I thought I could just wear it. So this is the wig. Oh my god, it looks so good. It smells like wig. I got the protective covering. This little thing. This is, I don't know. Let me see. 16-inch. I didn't know what. Look at that. Wow. I don't think I'm gonna wash it. I should wash it because it's water wave. Look at that. Look at that bounce. Hey. Anyways. This is like the comb where you put it in, and the Velcro straps. Wow. Oh, and it has a front and back comb. So let me just put the Velcro so the hair doesn't get any. Listen, I did some corners, the inside. If anyone wants to do my hair for me in the future, I'll pay you $5 to do it. So I don't want anyone to come for me. It's like a stocking. Stocking. Wait, why is it? Oh, they gave me two. I don't know how to do this. Do you just go like this? I think you just go like this. Well, my head is big. I don't even know what I'm doing, but we going with the flow as you're doing. Yeah. Anyway. Wow. Don't mind my acne. And I guess I just put it on. Oh, it has 5 combs. Neat. So I think I just put it on like that. Oh my god, I'm gonna be looking like a whole new person. If I'm looking here, it's because I have a mirror, so bear with me. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, where's the other comb? I'm so lost. Oh. And then I'm so lost. I think that's all the oh my gosh. Wow, that looks so cute. And I don't have any mousse. Wow. Oh my gosh. So I just want to put my hair up. I mean, not my hair, but their hair, but it's my hair on my head. Wait, what way? Oh, okay. I don't know if that's supposed to hurt in the back. Look, comb put in my head. Comb put in my head. The comb put in my head. the braid. No. Okay. Technical difficulties. I think we like. Wow, I look good. Like what is happening? No. I'm so upset. Because it's done with. Ow. I'm very mad at myself because I can't get this on. Bald head, oh shit, bald head. Fair. Bald head. I'm a bald head. Oh. I know what the problem is. It's this dumb wing cap. Oh, and that. First of all, let me help this. Let me help this wig, okay? Let me help this wig. Let me help you. Let me tie you up for you. If I got to be glued, I would really glue that. Oh, okay, second attempt. Cause this wig was expensive. It was expensive. When stuff is when this is expensive, we using the scraps. Okay, we just gotta keep going. I'm just gonna pretend that I'm not feeling the Velcro. My accessories. I got this. They gave me this. And this. I think I'm gonna go do some basic look. Yes, sir. Again, with my big head. No. Not today. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Did I actually get an attempt? Listen, don't worry. Oh my gosh. I don't like this wig cap. We got it on. I got it on. You washed it. It's a water wave, so I'm just gonna be trying to get the weight, you know? This is human hair. Looks good. Wow. And you can get this brush. Wow, you can get this brush from Amazon. It came in a pack of 2, so 2 for $12. I guess. Get that. Oh no, scrunch. I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's good. Wow, a water wave. And yes, this is my real hair. Now I know why they call water wave. Okay. I just think I need a bigger wig cap. But other than that, thank you for watching my video. Again, this is my first attempt of trying any wig, and I tried the headband wig. I think it looks pretty. The only thing I would say, I don't know if this is a bigger one, but the wig cap is kind of too tight on my head. But other than that, it's good. Thank you. Bye, y'all.